love my Pepsi for breakfast. What am I gonna do today? Oh, hey! Hi guys! This is your pal, the fabulous four-fingered freak. Now, today I'm bored and I was just wondering, what could I do for my fans, all of you guys, that would be awesome today? So I thought to myself, freak! After you finish your Pepsi for breakfast, you should do a best of all your great burps. Yeah, a compilation video of your best all-time burps. And I thought, that is an awesome idea. So the freak worked really hard for all of his fans to put up this awesome super burp compilation. And then the freak almost had a heart attack. Yeah, you know why? Because my daughter, the little freak, she freaked out. You know why? Because she says that my hair is way too blue. And I told little freak, well, your hair is way too purple. And you know what she said? She said, no, it's not. And I said, yeah, it is. And then we started a burp contest. And I lost. And that doesn't matter, because my hair is still awesome. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, here we go. Why are you watching me burp? Me. Oh, yeah.